Approved from stand 12, thanks.
Victor Quebec 1 Alpha.
Easy 49 Victor Quebec, thank you. You're going to be parking on stand 5, taxi via Alpha Bravo Kilo and hold at Kilo 5.
Bravo Kilo to hold Kilo 5, AC 49 Victor Quebec. Kilo 5, bye-bye, moving 2658.
Continue approach on number 2, contact tower 118.630.
118.630 already. 25, Mike, copy, stop.
Turn right heading 340 degrees.
Right heading 340 degrees, Channing, say we're moving then.
Tower, this is Moonraker 2658 Super, precision, switch 1.
Moonraker 2658 tower via Tango 1, runway 23 left, clear for takeoff, 160 with fix.
Air takeoff 23 left by Tango 1, Moonraker 2658.
So if you can call me in about 4 or 5 minutes, I'll have that clearance then.
Sorry about that.
Right? Bravo Clear, thanks for that. You can turn left now, Delta Lima stand 6.
Lima stand 6, that's copy, 5 Bravo Quebec.
Easy 49 Victor Quebec, continue along Kilo, and then at Kilo 2, left turn in by Juliet Echo to stand 5.
Kilo 2, Delta Echo, stand 5, AC 49 Victor Quebec.
Ground,
1 thanks.
95 and descend to altitude 5,000 feet, QNH 1014.
That's 5,000 feet, 1014, Channing, say we're moving then.
Ryanair 1169, contact director, call sign only 121.355.
121.315 with the compound on there, 11.
Frequency 121.355.
Number 12355, and
118.630, goodbye.
Tower 118.630, goodbye, Jersey 5 right Alpha.
Thanks, Ryanair 1169.
Ryanair 1169, director, good morning.
Morning.
Good afternoon, Jersey 5 right Delta, fully established 6 miles, ILS 23 right.
1355, Channing, 82 moving then.
Go ahead, level of 142, Papa.
Hey, it's come through, generated a slot of 1233. I'll put a ready message in. If that doesn't improve, it can call me back in 10 minutes from now and we'll get you going then.